Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a design team unboxing to share with you today, and this is coming from Anna, who is mycraftingworlddesigns.com, and you can check her out here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So guys, this is her new release for the month of July. I'm just reading the stickers. They're so cute. It says, girls compete, women empower. And it says, thank you. Thank you for supporting my small business. That is so awesome, Anna. I love your new stickers. Super, super cute. Okay, so let's get into it. Hello, everybody. Please go check out Anna's website. I will leave the link down below. It's mycraftingworlddesigns.com. And if you get any of her dies and use them, you could also put a hashtag on there, and it's called My Crafting World Designs, and you could win a chance to be a guest designer for Anna. And she has amazing dies, you guys. I've been playing with several of her dies lately. Here is her latest handbag with her latest purse mini albums, and I have yet to finish this. I'm still working on it slowly, but I have several projects here on my desk. Here's the star bow die set, and I have her shorts, little shorts, summer shorts mini album. I've made several of these. And yeah, so let's get into our new release. If you guys want, go check out her website. If you want to purchase, you can save using Eileen10 on the checkout discount code. So that is super cute. I love it, girly. Thank you for this. Oh, excuse me. So her first die she shared with me is these beautiful small flowers. And look at this. So you have several sizes here. You have large and medium and small. And then you also get these leaves here, which I so desperately needed for some projects. I needed some greenery, and this is such an awesome design. And here are her social. You can find her Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Super cute. And if you want to contact her, here is her email, mcwdesigns@email.com. So I don't even need to open this one, but this is her release for our month of July. This one is I think this is the extended version for the, let me grab it because I just moved it out of the way. It's her spool die set. I just put it away. Here it is. This is the spool die set, and she has a taller, so you don't have to use it so the first time I made this, I put two of these together to make a taller spool, so you could put a wider ribbon on there. So for this one, I joined two of them, so two of these right here. So instead of adding two, now you have a bigger width. And let me see, what is the width on this one? This one is 2 inches. That's a good one. And then this one is 1.5 inches. So really good. So now we have a variety of heights for our spool. And yep, spool add-on 2 and 1.5 inch width. So you can make your spool a different height. Love it. So here is the other, let me grab it. Oh, here it is. So here is the other size. I should have made the original 3/4 inch right here, but this is the shortest one right here. And then this one, I had two of them together to make this taller. So now you don't have to even worry about that. She made one for you, 2 inches and 1.5 inch wide. Beautiful. So really now I can really concentrate on making more of these dies. And then she also threw in some mini flower plates. That is cool. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So you get different styles. And so, yeah, I love plates actually, because then you don't have to worry about die cutting it over and over and over and over. And then here is the last one. We have the Motel Key Ring Shaker and Stamp Set. Oh yeah, you guys, this is awesome. So let me open this. This is awesome. Okay, if I can just get the, find the opening. Look at these gorgeous keys that she included for her die set. I mean, her stamp set. So you'll get the stamp and the die. So cool. You have two sizes here. So the larger of the hotel key is 4 inches, and then the smaller is 3 inches, and the larger width is 2 inches, and then the smaller one you could get a 1.5 inch. That is so cool. And then you have the decorative, and you also have the the layering piece right here. And then you also get these reinforcement little circles, so the little flowers, and then you have also the plain circles. That is so cute. Wow, look at that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, Anna, that is awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 pieces, guys. It's a lot and if you count these individually, there's a lot. And then you get your stamp sets that you could stamp onto your key ring here, Motel Key Ring. It says Paper Crafter at heart. It's not going to craft itself. I love to swap. Oh, that's cute for the swappers that we've been having so many swaps. Just to make you smile, throw kindness around like confetti, and love is in the details. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 styles of key stamps. So you can see there. That is cute. And then it says, I love swapping with you. Craft with all your heart, and crafting is the key. That is so cute. You could just, wow, you could use this in so many ways. That is a beautiful set. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And she also put on the top, designer is Nicole Silhouette. It's very pretty. Very, 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 very pretty. Love it, Anna. Love it, Nicole. You two ladies are a fantastic team. I love it. So guys, don't forget, if you want to go check out Anna's website, go to mycraftingworlddesigns.com. And when you get your dies or your crafts and make something with them, use this hashtag and tag her. You can tag her on Instagram and YouTube, and also on Facebook, I assume. I don't frequent Facebook. I do Instagram and YouTube. But My Crafting World Designs, use that hashtag, and you could be picked as the next guest designer. So awesome. And don't forget, use my discount code Eileen10. That is so sweet. I want to say this. If you use my code, I do not get anything from it. It just mainly shows Anna that you're coming from my videos. Okay, basically that's what it is. So she's giving you a 10% discount off of your purchase just by saying I came from Eileen's channel. Just saying. But go ahead and slap on there Eileen10 and get your 10% off your full purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go check her out. Use her hashtags, and I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, wait a minute. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and join our crafty family. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I load a new video or when I go live. And speaking of live, I will be going live this Sunday. Well, actually, I do lives with Them Crafty Girls, so here on YouTube. So don't forget, hit that notification bell and you will know. So thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.